he's done, and there never will be.
Cadence.
Something I've dreamt about since I was young.
The guy needs no warm-up. On the first take, he's driving right to the edge of the mountain.
Oh my God!
Let's not do that.
Step ahead of the curve, and the younger audience just eat that up.
You're doing it so fast that it feels out of control, but it's a good thing.
On the move in 3, 2, 1.
This is just something that you've just never seen before.
Brought with us today.
And this machine, this is a 1965 Ford Mustang, affectionately known as the Hooniken. This one is actually the only one we have, but it is version 2.
Yeah, it looks really cool. And it's obviously a bit different. These big Johnnies hanging out.
Those guys just chilling.
It's quite a bit past the original body line.
She's got some healthy width. Fenders, side skirts, front bumper, front lip, all that,
And
all carbon.
it's obviously all one-off.
It's all rolled at one point, and that's where we were able to pull this stuff off of.
Really? English wheel or?
English wheel,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Was that ever on the car?
Were those-
Because this thing gets driven. Yeah.
And the reason for that is you're hiding a 295, and that's a Toyo R888R tire.
You can see almost a whole tire.
295, I'm just gonna go off my head here. Average tire, I mean, that's pretty much an R compound grooved slick. That's quite a lot of traction, give or
And the
take.
1552 wheels, which we always see on
52
kids' cars.
wheels.
The rear diffuser and all that. That's rad. God, it's so wide. Good Lord, what's going on back here?
Big lift pumps, surge tanks, very redundant for what we have going on here, but because this thing moves twice the fuel.
It can take an old man, young kids, everybody's united in this, but what was behind the design of this thing? Was Ken very involved or?
Ken was super involved, as he is with just everything we
Yeah.
do. But yeah, I mean, there was months and months of design and mock-up prior to even seeing this thing in the flesh between Ken and the marketing team and everybody else involved, just to get the look more than anything. Not even concerned with performance to start with, just to get the look that they wanted.
Yeah.
And we came up with version 2.0, which
Those
is similar from the outside until you start looking under the hood.
Right.
And that's where the addition of twin turbos and almost double the power
Yeah.
and stuff like that came from.
And those are images burned.
Cut to some footage of this. Check this out. Ready? There's actually a really good shot of this, and we left this on the car because it was just that sketchy. But that right there was what Ken rubbed against one of the guardrails, like above tree line, Pikes Peak.
No way.
Like a 500-foot drop off to
Dude,
one side, and that was it.
perfectly
So we
shaped.
liked it. We wanted to leave it. That's guardrail height.
There's a lot less going on in here than I thought there would be.
One, I mean, if you look at it, the seat's right here. But that is a handbrake.
Yeah.
That does work to unlock the center diff. So this being an all-wheel drive Mustang, when Ken pulls that, center diff opens up. He's able to independently lock the rear axle.
Because I know nothing about what's going on here.
410 cubic inch Roush V8. So what is that, like 6.7 liter V8, more or less? Because it's twin turbo, it is a little bit lower compression than the high compression version in Hooniken 1.0. A big set of Garrett twins on there. The one thing you'll notice about this is, first off, beautiful exhaust manifolds. They're feeding both of these turbos, except there's no intercooler anywhere in this package.
Yeah.
Couple of reasons for that. One, there's not a lot of room. And then two, to make big, reliable horsepower and to run meth, it's not necessarily require running an intercooler.
Yeah.
What's this button do? Okay. hope you like that, because I'm not doing that again.